ahead of the elections, both for voter accreditation as well as the upload of the results to the IRF portal. So we have observed, and so far so good, in terms of the readiness of our local government offices for the election, and also the technology that we are deploying for the election.
So, what's the assurances to all the candidates?
Well, my assurance to everyone in Edo State is, on the part of the Commission, we keep saying this: INEC is not a political party. Therefore, we don't have a candidate in this election. The responsibility for choosing the next governor of Edo State is entirely in the hands of Edo voters. And our assurance to all the registered voters in Edo State is to troop out to vote for the party of their choice and the candidate of their choice. And the Commission will, as always, protect the integrity of the process and uphold the choice made by the electorate.
Okay, so far, are you satisfied with what we are going for?
I've said so. We are satisfied with both the level of preparation of our local government offices, and the 3 offices we have visited, Oredo, Ego, and Ikpoba, as well as the 2 centers we have visited for the mock exercise. I think we are good to go.
The EOs you spoke with in some of these local government we visited, did any of them express any concern, maybe areas that you need to look into before the day of the election? Well,
little issues that we are going to address, like some of the non-sensitive materials. But with 11 days to the election, I'm absolutely certain that by the end of this week we'll address these issues. But in addition, I'm also going to speak to all the EOs from all the 18 local government areas, not just the local government areas we visited. And this will happen on Thursday after the signing of the National Peace Accord. So we'll speak to all the EOs and we'll harvest all the concerns from all the EOs. That's why we are here well ahead of the election, so that we can respond to any issues that they may raise.
You said before for the election
at the best election so far in Edo State.
It has always been the intention of the Commission to organize good elections, and I've given you assurances on the level of preparation on the part of the Commission. That is why I'm personally in Edo State. And let me seize this opportunity to appeal to other stakeholders as well. Election is a multi-stakeholder activity, including the security agencies, the political parties, the candidates, the observers, and even people like you in the media. So you should report us very well. Take this one. No, let's take photograph. No. Alpha. I don't see them now. Capture here. Capture this Sunday. I will capture that. Do one now. Do one as close it.
Good morning. How are you doing? Which unit are you using? Unit 7. Okay.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So how many people have come for it? It's just about 27. 27 days. Oh, that's great. That's where we are closing at 2:30. Yes, sir. Okay. And you have to carry any figure? Yes, sir. There are more? Yes, sir. Because nobody was given ballot paper. Yes, so nothing will be reflected there. It's just an example. Okay. Okay. And it's clearly written that it's a mock. Yes, sir. So when you finish, just like this one, You will stamp.
Just sign.
You just sign, no stamp. It's a mock.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you'll sign, put a date,
Yes.
take a snapshot, yeah, the number accredited, and then upload it to the INEC portal.
Okay.
But any network issues?
No, sir.
No network problem.
No, sir.
So there shouldn't be.
Yes, sir.
70% of the staff
Thank you, sir.
are female. Is it 80?
90, sir.
And here,
Again.
1 out of 4.
It's all in already.
Yes, sir.
Well done.
Thank you very much. We appreciate it. So they keep accrediting. There are some people waiting on it. Others, so that if there is anybody waiting there, invite the person. So let the person come. Out of 192, total number of So, which one has been more better forgets his face and comes here without a head? Is there any new voter? Nobody. Okay, so wish you all the best. Thank you, 3 o'clock, I will look for you. So, madam, close, and then by 3 o'clock, we go and watch the result. It will be watched worldwide, so we watch the exam. Thank you. Make sure your hand doesn't shake, so it's very clear. Expect a very high turnout because it's just a mock for us to test the integrity of the system that we are deploying. And it's happening in 12 polling units across the state on the equality of the senatorial district. And it's mock. And everything is cross. No votes recorded because no ballot. But you'll tell us the number accredited, which will be consistent with the number on the Viva. Fantastic. So we look forward to a good performance on election day in the next 11 days in this place. So I want to thank you so much.